How to use two WhatsApp accounts at the same time on one specific Android phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from Genie Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how you can activate and use two WhatsApp accounts simultaneously at the same time on a single Android phone. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now there are two case scenarios. One is if your phone supports dual messenger or dual accounts by default. The other is if your phone does not support it. In that case, you have to use the help of a third-party application. So in my case, I'm actually using my Samsung Galaxy device and I do have the feature of dual messenger. If you're also on Samsung and if you're lucky, then you can go to the settings application. Once you go to settings, scroll down halfway down the bottom and you'll find a gear icon called advanced features. Just go to advanced features and scroll down again to the bottom and you'll find another option labeled as dual messenger. It says sign into a second account in your favorite social media apps. Now this works not only for WhatsApp but also for Telegram, for Facebook and any of the other applications that you want to make a dual account for. Now in this case, since I'm trying to use WhatsApp of two accounts in same Android phone, I'll just turn on the toggle right next to WhatsApp. It allows me to install a second copy of WhatsApp, so I'll just tap on the install button. Now you can rename your new WhatsApp account and make it look a little bit different. You can also actually use a separate contact list for this WhatsApp account if you want to. So you can just turn on this toggle and you can select some of the contacts that you want to use for this WhatsApp contact, or else once you've selected, it says tuning on dual messenger or dual accounts. Once you do so, you'll be able to see another copy of WhatsApp on my Android phone as well. So as you can see right over here, second copy of WhatsApp has been installed. So if I go ahead and show you, you can see WhatsApp in the another type of icon, and if I go ahead and open it, I can log into my another profile. However, let's say you're using some other Android phones and you're not being able to find this feature on your device. Well, in that case also you can open up your Google Play Store. There are multiple apps in the Play Store that can help you do this, such as Parallel Universe, the cloning app, App Cloner, and so on. So if I just go ahead and search for, let's say, App Cloner, in the search box, you can just go ahead and simply download any of the applications which you actually trust. It doesn't necessarily need to be the one that I'm actually using, so you can just go ahead and search for any of the other applications. So as you can see, I will download the one called multiple accounts, which is called Dual Space by the developer called MATeam. You can download other ones, just tap on the install button. So as you can see, I've successfully installed the multiple account app. Now if I go ahead and open it, I can choose any of the app that I want to clone and have a second account for. In this case, it's WhatsApp, so I'll most likely just tap on the WhatsApp button and it will install a second copy of WhatsApp. Now you can see I've got multiple apps on WhatsApp. Now I can agree and continue and log into the other account that I want to use. Here I will have the official app inside of my app drawer. I have another app that I installed from my phone, and I have another app inside of multiple accounts so that I want to use it in this case. That's all it takes to activate two WhatsApp account in one single Android device. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, comment down below. Thank you very much for watching and see you in our next video.